friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Seint beauty artist, a DIY lash enthusiast, a lover of all things beauty. So I wanted to do this video real quick because there are some new cheek and lip colors that came out from Seint that are exclusive for the first quarter. So they are going to go away on March 29th or while supplies last. So last year, what Seint decided to do was come up with a new color every month. So they have their standard cheek and lip colors, and I've done a video, I'll link it down below, of some of the ones that I have in my collection. So they have their standard colors, but then last year they came out with like a new color and it was only for that month and then it would go away. And so this year they decided instead of doing it every month, they would just release new shades every quarter and they would only be available for that quarter. So they have been available since January 1st. But I just got the order in, so I wanted to kind of go through them with you. So if you purchase during the anniversary sale, you could purchase them all at the same time. The kit was called Queen of Hearts and it came in this little packet, and then you have all the 5 colors. But this unfortunately is no longer available, but you can purchase each one separately, which unless you're really an artist or you're like super into Seint makeup, to me, you probably would want to purchase them separately anyways. But I wanted to show you, kind of do swatches. So if you're looking to add a new cheek and lip color, or you're just getting into cream foundation, cream makeup, and you're looking for an awesome cream cheek color, Seint is where it's at. These are my absolute favorite cream colors. They are very beautiful. They have a color for everybody. And honestly and truly, all the colors can work regardless of your skin tone, even the scary ones. There's a couple in here that I'll show you that are super, super scary, but they're beautiful. If you do not already, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and I'll put my Instagram handle down below. I do a lot more of just kind of snippets of different products, and I've been doing reels on these where it shows you like a swatch, but then also what it looks like on my face. So if you're wanting a little bit more in depth, make sure you follow me on Instagram because there's a lot more content on there. So I'm just going to kind of go through and swatch them. So in case you are interested, again, they blend out beautifully and they work even with regular foundation. So even though I recommend getting the whole shebang, the highlight color, the brightening highlight, the contour, the bronzer, and the cheek color, you don't have to. These will work with your regular foundation, but they are absolutely beautiful, and we just have some very, very fabulous colors. So the first one is Bare. Every time you get a Seint product, like a cheek color, it's always going to come in these tins, and you literally just take them off. And one thing that I love about them is they're aluminum or whatever they are, so they fit into the magnetic palette. So I have all my palettes back here. You can get a variety of different colors or styles or fits, but this is one that I keep everything in, and this is one of the old ones. But they fit, they slide right into these palettes like that, and they don't come out. So the first color that I'm gonna show you guys, if I can get it out, it's always hard to get out with my nails, but this is the color Bare. This is beautiful. It's very nude, but it has a little bit of, let me just put it right there, kind of almost a little purpley undertone. So it does look a little scary because I was a little nervous when I first tried it out because I was like, okay, I'm super fair. It blends out beautifully and it's gorgeous. Even if you have fair skin like me, you can wear every single one of these colors. But this is the color Bare. And again, follow on Instagram because you can see what it actually looks like blended on the cheek. But today's video is just swatches. So that one is beautiful, very neutral, kind of everyday color. The next one is Love Spell. Oh, the one thing that I forgot to mention is these Seint comes with 3 different finishes. So this one right here, the Bare, is the satin finish. This is my best, like this is my favorite finish because I feel like it's very opaque. A little bit goes a long way, but they blend out the easiest. We also have gloss and semi-gloss. And the glosses and semi-gloss are great for the lips because you kind of get that glossy look. They're a lot easier to apply on the lips. But for me, the gloss and the semi-gloss are a little bit more challenging to apply on the cheek. So I always gravitate towards the satin finishes, but just be mindful that there's going to be different finishes, and you need to look at that, because if you get the gloss, it is going to be glossy. So that is what this one is right here. This is the color Love Spell, and it looks so scary in the 10, but I want to show you. And you can see here, you could tell the gloss because they're glossy. I know I keep saying that, that's stupid, but they're not going to be as pigmented, and they're going to have a higher sheen. I like these, the glosses, in the summertime, because to me it kind of gives that luminosity. So if you're somebody who wants to like do minimum like makeup, the gloss is great because it gives you that shiny look that's really nice in the summer. But this one again looks super scary, but it is not scary once you blend it out. It does have that brown undertone, but it's going to give you more of that glossy look. The next one is the color Tiger Lily. Oh my goodness. I wore this one the other day and it is fabulous. Scary, 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 but they blend out really, really well. And this one is a satin finish. So it's going to be very pigmented, but look at that. And I know like you're probably looking at it and going, what the heck? I would never wear that on my cheek. It is very pretty. Unfortunately, I'm wearing Scarlet. Eventually I will come to Scarlet, and so you'll be able to see it. Okay, so Scarlet's next. Scarlet is also a satin finish, and you can see it is a very bright kind of red color, and I just like literally, there you go. Actually, this won't be gloss a little bit, but you can see how pigmented it is, and you can see a little bit goes a long way. So when you first put them on, I always say dab a little bit and put it, you know, just think like that. You don't want to smear it out, and you don't want to go crazy because they are super, very, very pigmented. But one of the things that I love about the cream cheek colors cream foundation is if I go too crazy with my cheek color, it is super easy for me to fix it with my cream foundation. With regular powders, it's very hard. Like if you go too crazy with a powder brush and then you try to put like powder on top of it, or you can't put foundation on it because it's liquid and powder and it's just going to start clumping up. Cream foundation, you can layer them. So if I go crazy, I can just take my beauty blender, put a little bit of my main highlight shade, and tone my cheek color down, and it looks fabulous. It's not going to clump up. It's not going to look cakey or anything like that. So that is why cream foundation and cream products are so great for us ladies who aren't makeup artists, but also maturing skin, because you're not going to get that cake, you know, that cake look. But if you struggle with makeup and you're not sure how to do it, it's kind of like dummy proof. You literally can fix anything with cream makeup. The last one is called Audrey. And so I am a sucker for pinks. I love pinks. This is a very, very pale baby doll pink. It is in the satin color. You can see here for us, let me do it a little bit more because obviously I'm very fair. It is a very cool toned baby pink, and for us fair girls, yes, you can even wear this. I wore it the other day. I thought it was gorgeous. I do think that this color is, I don't want to say best or better for darker skin tones, but darker skin tones will be able to pull it off a little bit more. I liked it because I ended up packing up the color so you could see it, but it just gave me a very baby doll kind of look. It was just very like a wash of color. But as I go into the summer months, well, I self-tan during the winter and I should do it more. I just don't really think about it. But if you self-tan or if you have a darker skin tone, this color is going to be amazing. But those are the 5 new colors. Like I said, they are only available through March 29th or supplies last. So once they run out, they will run out and they will be gone. So these are, sometimes the company surprises and they'll bring back a color for the permanent line, but these are limited edition. So if you see a color that you like, definitely make sure you go, put my link below, click on the link, and I'll put a link for each of the different ones in case you're interested. But again, this is Bear, this is Love Spell, this is Tiger Lily. I chunked that Scarlet. This is Tiger Lily, this is Scarlet, and this is Audrey, and they are all fabulous. So let me know if you have any questions. Please leave them down below. I'll put all the information down below in case you're interested, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.